So today I'm going to be unboxing this really cute Littlest Pet Shop Rabbit. Well, it is actually the first brand new Littlest Pet Shop toy that I've been ever unboxed, and I'm really excited about opening this extremely cute rabbit with its little carrots in this purple plate. The back side of the box also looks really cute, and we can know that this set was released in 2009, and there were also this seahorse and this cute yellow mouse and this black parrot in this series. And yeah, let's start. So here was this collection catalog, I think. So let's take a closer look at it a bit later. And now let's get out our rabbit. Oh, it is so cute. So here are the contents. I love the blue and purple color of rabbit's eyes. And yeah, its tail is also really cute. I just love it. It also came with this orange carrots. And now let's check out our collection catalog. And yeah, we also got this like little sticker with this yellow cat. Yeah, I think it's cat. And here is the collection. Oh, I love them all. They all are really cute. And here are some more. And more. And I think here are some sets that you can put your little pets in. And they also made this website for Littlest Pet Shop fans. I just noticed here are 2 more pets that came with Nintendo DS, which is really cool. Well, let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos about Littlest Pet Shop on my channel. Bye!